So hi guys, this is GS from Tech Nautilus 2017 and today we are talking about the new things that has been surfaced by a beloved company, Samsung. So they recently launched Samsung S10, S10 Plus and S10e. So I'm just gonna say S10 autonomic or efficient, whatever you want to say that, right? Whatever they say it. So, and they unveiled one more cell phone, which is, I won't say it's a cell phone, it is a cell phone, it's a foldable cell phone, Galaxy Fold. Wow, what a, shit. Man, they could have done better with the name, Galaxy Fold, wow. That's embarrassing. So, Galaxy S10, S10e and S10 Plus has been revealed with a full edge-to-edge infinity display with hole cut out for cameras. Same we saw with Honor model. I forgot. I'll put it here. I forgot what is the exact model of that. And other than that, latest Snapdragon 855. 6 gigs of RAM to 12 gigs of RAM. Storage starts from 128 gig. Beautiful. At least that's sorted out. All right. And it goes up to 1 terabyte. Pricing is also given. So I will tell you that. Keep watching. So right now, I'll try to only speak about S10 and S10 Plus. S10e deserves a specific video because that is one bold movement that they did. After S6, not the Edge. Stay tuned for that video. It will be uploaded in the next 24 hours. I'll try to. I'm lazy. So S10 comes in 6.1 inch, 1440 by 3040 pixel, 19:9 aspect ratio, 8 GB RAM, Exynos 9820 or Snapdragon 855 with 3400 mAh battery. And now we have plethora of cameras, like in the back. We have 12 megapixel f1.4 and 2.4. That's same in S9 Plus, because that have the same cameras with the variable aperture. And then we have one 12 megapixel f2.4 52mm telephoto. And then the third one is 16 megapixel f2.2 12mm wide. So what LG did basically, or LG is still doing in the cell phone, like it started in G5, one of my favorite cell phone. I'm trying to get one because I need to have a review of that cell phone. I need to have it because that cell phone actually started, basically like made my interest in photography of cell phones. So I'm looking for one. And so we got 4K 60 FPS, 1080p 240 FPS, 720p 960 FPS. With get this HDR recording on the cell phone. Earlier they used to have like high-end cameras that only can do it. Now we have cell phones that can record 4K HDR in them, straight in. I know there will be limitation of 5 minutes. That's like their motive behind all this, because I remember even in S9 Plus, 4K 60 FPS was like 5 minutes. I could be wrong. Don't quote me on that. With dual video recording. So HDR and normal. And you can see that in the cell phone also, because the screen is dynamic OLED, HDR10 supportable. So you can watch HDR Netflix now on your cell phone properly. And front camera. 10 megapixel f1.9 dual pixel, same you can say, well not same, it's 10 megapixel. and dual video call feature, auto HDR, and now you can record your selfie videos in 4K 30 FPS, or you can say you can vlog in 4K now with just your front camera. And USB Type C as usual. Headphone jack, I will come back to the headphone jack because I have to say something about headphone jack also. Fingerprint under the display, that is with that ultrasonic fingerprint. So earlier in OnePlus 6T and other cell phones, they had you can say light up, because in those ones the screen have to like turn on in order to send light through that OLED panel and register the finger. In this one, as it's ultrasonic, the screen doesn't need to come on, and you just put it over there, put your thumb over there, and it will unlock. Plus you can go for multiple gestures, like few things like Finder, notes, and all that. That's different one. But so that was S10, and it will be available on March 8th. So now we jump to S10 Plus. 6.4 inch 1440 by 3040 pixels, 16 megapixel camera, 4K and all that, 12 gigs of RAM, that's like the top model, 4100 mAh battery, milliamp power, that's beautiful. Plus you can now charge other cell phones also with that same cell phone, so they have like power sharing feature, not sure what exactly does it say. Same dynamic OLED capacitive touchscreen, and 87.5 screen to body ratio, which is weird. HDR10 always on display, One UI that Samsung recently launched on the Android 9 Pie. Same processor. Now storage goes from 8 GB 128 or 8 GB 512 or 12 GB and 1 terabyte of storage. I don't even have a hard disk that is of 1 terabyte, but I have an SSD, but still. Same camera structure, everything same, 4K 60. Now front camera, that's where it's different. So we have 10 megapixel dual pixel camera f1.9, same in that, but with a depth sensor of 8 megapixel f2.2. Beauty. And Dolby Atmos HAG sound customized and all. So that we have seen since S8. Right, and now comes the best part, that is the headphone jack. Samsung is the only one left that still have the courage to make cell phones with the headphone jack. They haven't taken it from us. They haven't done the notch land in the the main series, like the flagship series. I can't say about M series because they have that teardrop, same as OnePlus 6T, but still, if we consider that, we're still looking for a good cell phone in 2019. It's a good start for cell phones. But there's always some features that they miss. Oh, don't include that, I don't think. So yeah, that sums about the video for S10 and S10 Plus. Alright, stay tuned for the S10e video. Alright, and also stay tuned for a hands-on if I get one. I'm not sure I'll be able to get because I'm cheap and I'm poor. I'm still rocking my Pixel XL and my Moto Z Play. Love it. There's a love-hate relationship between me and Pixel. So yeah, that's it. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.